Thank you, Shanak. So in this question, you've been given a circle with center O. There is chord RP. If you look at your textbook, you might not be able to see the segment formed by the chord RP. The chord, yes, this is shaded. If you can't see in your textbook, please mark that this segment here, which is very tiny, it's shaded. And the triangle here, this is given with sides PQ as 24 and PR as 7 centimeters. So this chord has length 7 centimeters. The chord chord PQ has length 24 centimeters. We want to find out the area of this shaded region. So there's this shaded region over here. This triangle that you can see here, its side is actually the diameter of the circle, first thing. QR is the diameter of the circle. Second thing about QR is it is side of triangle PQR. And if you look closely, since QR is diameter of circle and it is the side of triangle PQR, this means the angle QPR is an angle formed in semicircle. This angle over here. From last year chapter circles, if you can recall, Sanmit, could you please send the photo to me on WhatsApp? Let me just see. So this angle is 90 degrees, which makes triangle PQR a right triangle. This is just an observation based on what I can see. QR is the diameter of the circle. If it's the diameter, that means this is a semicircle. And the angle formed in a semicircle is 90 degrees. That's why angle QPR is 90 degrees, which makes your triangle a right triangle. All right, they have modified it. If your book is of the latest edition, then it's possible that the figure given in your textbook clearly shows that chord RP is also forming a segment. The one I have with me right here, it's quite an old version. So you cannot identify the segment formed by the chord RP. That's why I'm saying this. In case किसी की पुरानी book है तो बेटा please mark कर लेना. It looks like only this part is shaded, but there is this portion also which is shaded. अब shaded portion का area निकालने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? Observing that this is a semicircle. From the semicircular area, we are going to subtract the area of triangle, the triangle that's formed. So if from this semicircular portion, if we take away the area of triangle, we will be left with this shaded region. The figure given in the latest textbooks, one that Sanmeet has sent to me, is somewhat like this. This is the center of the circle. Then we have the diameter drawn, and this is how the triangle is. So we have P, Q, and R, and this is the shaded area. If this is the diameter, this forms a semicircle, and from the semicircle, you would like to remove the area of the triangle, the unshaded part, and you will be left with the area of the shaded part. इस exercise के questions mostly इसी तरह से हैं. Find out the area of the part which is shaded in the figure. So area of the shaded part will be equal to area of semicircle minus area of the unshaded part. Unshaded part is your triangle. Now you need to focus on how to find out the area of these two. सेमीसर्कल का एरिया निकालने के लिए आपको इस सर्कल का रेडियस चाहिए और ट्राइंगल का एरिया हम निकाल सकते हैं by using the formula half base into height because the triangle is a right triangle. First of all, try to observe if you have what you need. सेमीसर्कल का एरिया निकालने के लिए आपको रेडियस चाहिए. Do you have the radius of the circle? We are first of all going to apply Pythagoras theorem. in the triangle PQR in order to obtain QR, which is the diameter. Once you have QR, the diameter of the circle, you can find out radius from there. And once you have the radius, you will be able to find out the area of the semicircle. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Once you have area of the semicircle, the second thing we want to find out is the area of the triangle. Triangle right triangle है, तो इसमें हम सीधा half base into height formula use कर सकते हैं. हमारे पास perpendicular भी है और हमारे पास base भी है. The sides which contain 90-degree angle form your perpendicular and your height. So we will be using those two in order to find out the area of the triangle. Hypotenuse इसलिए find किया है because hypotenuse of the triangle is forming the diameter of the circle. तो Pythagoras theorem से hypotenuse निकाल लो तो आपको circle का diameter पता चल जाएगा. Then you have the radius and then you can work out what you need. Let's write the answer for this. Okay, Tarannum and Jannat, beta, I think the figure is the same as the one given in Sanmeet's book. Sanmeet, you can share the figure in the group so that everyone can see.
Yes, ma'am. The figure is same.
Is it like this one, the one I've drawn here?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Same, ma'am.
Okay, that maybe they have now edited it because you could not see the segment of the chord PR earlier. So they have fixed that issue. I'm going to write down what I'm given here. PR is given as 7 centimeters. PQ is given as 24 centimeters. QR is diameter of circle. Whatever you are doing, you have to justify. So that's why it's necessary. QR is the diameter of the circle. This implies that the angle QPR is 90 degrees. Therefore, your triangle becomes right triangle. And we can use Pythagoras theorem. You will have QR square equals to PR square plus PQ squared. So QR square comes out to be 7 squared plus 24 squared. This is 625 and QR comes out to be 25 centimeters. Therefore, diameter is equal to 25 centimeters. From here, we will have the radius as 25 by 2 centimeters. Now we want to find out the area of the shaded region. Area of shaded region will be given by area of semicircle minus area of triangle PQR. Area of the semicircle will be half pi r square and the area of the triangle will be half base into height. And now you can just use the values. Pi is given as 22 by 7. At any point, if you cannot identify which two sides will be the base and the height, those two sides will be the sides which contain the 90-degree angle, 7 centimeters and 24 centimeters. And now you can simplify to obtain your answer. If you want, you can take factors common in order to simplify your work. The first fraction on simplification will give you 6875 by 25. 28, sorry. And the second bracket on simplification gives you 84. And you can take the LCM and the answer comes out to be 4523 by 28 centimeter squared. Anyone with any questions? If anyone's writing down, please let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Done, ma'am.
Question number 2, find the area of the shaded region in figure 12.20 if radii of two concentric circles with center O are 7 centimeters and 14 centimeters. So you can see there is a smaller circle, there is a larger circle. The radius of the smaller circle is 7 centimeters and the radius of the larger circle is 14 centimeters. You have to find out the area of this shaded region. This can be calculated by area of this sector for the larger circle minus the area for the smaller circle's sector. Larger sector minus the smaller sector will give you the area of the shaded region. This is the formula that you will be using here. Shaded area is equal to area of sector of larger circle. You can also write down the larger sector simply minus the area of sector of smaller circle. The only thing that will change is the radius. थीटा दोनों के लिए सेम रहेगा. तो आपका फॉर्मूला जो बनेगा वो ये बनेगा theta by 360 degrees multiplied by pi r square because it's the larger circle minus theta by 360 degrees multiplied by pi small r square. And if you want, you can take theta by 360 degrees common, pi can be taken common, and you will be left with this. And then you can use the values right here. Anyone with any questions?
Ma'am,
Just let
can we use the identity in bigger
Yes.
R square minus smaller R?
Of course, that always simplifies your work. Break it down into factors, r plus r minus r करके solve कर लो. Simplification, see, it's up to you. It depends on individual person कि उसको कैसे अपना आंसर ये वर्कआउट करना है, कैंसलिंग वगैरह कैसे करनी है. You need to just only see if you understand how we are working out the area. हम area निकाल कैसे रहे हैं. उसके बाद calculation तो आपने खुद करनी है. Even if right now I'll do it with you, but an exam आपने खुद करनी है. I'm not drawing the figure for this. I'm simply writing down the answer. You can draw the figure. Question number 2. Theta is 40 degrees. Capital R, the radius of the larger circle. It's by default. आपको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं होती. Whenever you have concentric circles, आप इस तरह से लिख दो. Smaller circle's radius is 7 centimeters. And we want to write down the area of the shaded part. This will be area of sector of larger circle minus area of sector of smaller circle. The way I describe that the formula reduces to this, theta by 360 multiplied by pi r square minus r square. आप directly ये भी लिख सकते हो. Or you can write down the way I had done earlier, theta by 360 degrees into pi capital R square, और इसका एरिया बना है theta by 360 degrees into pi small r square. So you can take these two common factors. Theta is 40 degrees. Let's use the value. Pi is 22 by 7. Then 14 square minus 7 square. Simplify, you get 1 by 9 into 22 by 7 into applying the identity as Sahaj is saying. a square minus b square. It will be a plus ba minus b. So you have these values, and I think these can also be cancelled. So you will have 154 over 3 centimeter square. Okay. I hope you've noted down. If anyone's writing down, let me know.
No,
Done,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Third question. Now you have this figure 12.21. Find the area of the shaded region in this figure, the one shaded in blue. ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeters. APD and BPC are semicircles. These semicircles have AD and BC as diameters. जो स्क्वायर की साइड्स हैं वही इन सेमी सर्कल्स का डायामीटर बन रही हैं. So from here we have the diameter of semicircle equal to side of square. This is what we can conclude. क्योंकि जो सेमी सर्कल्स बनाए गए हैं वो स्क्वायर की साइड को एज डायामीटर लेकर बनाए गए हैं. If you want, you can write down in your figure that this is the diameter for the semicircle. तो diameter आपके पास यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 14 centimeter. And once we have the diameter, we can find out the radius. To find out the area of this shaded portion from the total area of the square, if I take away the area of these two semicircles, I will be left with this shaded part. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
This is what we will be doing. Area of the square, उसमें से subtract कर दो area of the two semicircles. Since the two semicircles are of the same size, you can also write down that the area of two semicircles together will be equal to area of one whole circle. आप ये भी concept यहाँ पे use कर सकते हो. Area of the square is given by side multiplied by side, and you know how to find out the area of semicircles. Let's write down. Area of the square is side square, 2 times the area of semicircle. So this actually is the area of one circle. Use the values of 14 squared minus 22 by 7. Please check pi. Pi is not given. 22 by 7 multiplied by radius squared. So this will be 196 minus 154. And the answer is 52 centimeters square. Is that correct? 42. 42 centimeters square.
42 centimeters square.
Done?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Question number 4. You have to find out the area of the shaded region in figure 12.22, where circular arc of radius 6 centimeters has been drawn with vertex O of equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 centimeters as center. So there is an equilateral triangle. This is an equilateral triangle. अगर इसका ये shaded area निकालना है, it's very simple. This is √3/4 into side square. Now you need to find out the area of this sector. This is actually a major sector because the theta is greater than 180 degrees. You need to find out the area of this major sector. The radius for this sector is 6 centimeters. O is the center. Can you find out the area? Area of the sector is given by theta by 360 degrees multiplied by pi r square. The shaded area is made up of two parts. Let's go over this once again. There is an equilateral triangle OAB. From the vertex O, इस vertex से एक arc draw की गई है with radius 6 centimeters. O को center लेके if we draw a circle, वैसे उन्होंने draw किया है but पूरा circle नहीं draw किया, सिर्फ triangle के बाहर बाहर draw किया है. तो जब इस तरह से incomplete circle draw करते हैं, आपके पास जो area बन रहा है, this is the area of a sector. And how do I know it's a major sector? Because looking at the angle formed at the center. अगर मैं थीटा की वैल्यू यहाँ से चेक करूं, if I look at what theta would be for this sector, I would know that ये जो sector बना है, ये मेरे पास major sector है. So this is the theta here. Can anyone tell me how we are going to find out theta? We will be using that the angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. So the angles formed here are 60 degrees each. Now, can you find out theta by using the concept of complete angle? Angle at a point.
360 minus 60.
Yeah, angle at a point is 360 degrees. And from there, we can find out theta as 360 degrees minus 60 degrees. Theta will be equal to 300 degrees. And now you can find out the area of the sector using the formula. Area of the triangle using this formula. Add the two, you will get the area of the shaded region. Anyone who wants to ask anything before we start writing the answer for this?
No, ma'am.
So this is what the answer is given at the book. At the back of the book, I guess it's given in expression containing root 3 as such. It's not simplified. You could do it in exam if you want. That's a personal preference, or you could leave it as such. In case the value of root 3 is given in the textbook, then you would need to solve the answer by using that value. As for now, I'm just leaving it as such. I hope it's clear. If anyone's writing down, please let me know.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Question number 5th. From each corner of a square, so this is figure 12.23 now, there is a square ABCD. The square has side 4 centimeters. From each of its corners, a quadrant has been cut out. So we have 4 quadrants at each of the vertices of the square. These quadrants are actually of a circle with radius 1 centimeters. Side of the square is 4 centimeters. The radius for the quadrant is 1 centimeters. There is a circle in the middle with diameter 2 centimeters. So again, the radius for this will be 1 centimeters. Find the area of the remaining portion of the square. Can anyone answer this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sahaj?
Ma'am, first we will find out the area of the corner, then we could multiply it by 4.
Yes.
Then we will find out the area of the circle
Yes.
and the area of the square, and the sum of the circle of the area of the circle plus the area of the 4 quadrants minus area of the full square.
That's correct. Just change the order from the total area, which is the square. This is the largest figure here. From this area, we would like to subtract the unshaded areas. That's correct. As you said, area of the circle in the center and area of 4 quadrants. इन दोनों का एरिया हम टोटल एरिया में से माइनस कर देंगे. अगेन अगर आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप सॉल्व करना है, यू कैन फाइंड आउट दीज एरियाज वन बाय वन. फर्स्ट यू कैन फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर, यू कैन फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल, then you can find out area of the 4 quadrants, and then you can come back to writing down that the area of the shaded region will be given by total area which is for the square. उसमें से ये जितने white वाले areas हैं उनका area minus कर दो. तो white areas हमारे हैं circle in the center and the 4 quadrants at the corners. Let's write the answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम आपने मैम एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर मैम 14 का मैम स्क्वायर किया आपने
Oh,
मैम
I'm
साइड
sorry.
मैम ऊपर
I'm
4 है.
sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Vansh. So this on simplification gives you the answer as 68 by 7 centimeters square. Take the LCM and then subtract. Anyone who's writing down?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Shaunak is quick. Shaunak, बच्चे screenshots तो नहीं ले लेते कहीं? Students of 7th standard do this. And then they say, ma'am, we will write later.
Ma'am,
आप समझा दो.
Riyaz does that.
Okay.
Riyaz does that.
Okay. No, a couple of students of 7th told me this. Ma'am, we take screenshots and we write later. Okay, the students who were writing down, is it done?
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Question number 6. Now, this question actually could be done, but this is based on a problem where the central angle becomes 120 degrees. So this will be deleted. And just to let you know how the central angle is 120 degrees, if you look at the problem given to you, the triangle is equilateral triangle. This makes the chords of the circle equal. There are 3 equal chords for the circle given to you. So the angle subtended at the center will be given by total central angle divided by 3. So if the center of the circle is marked as O and the endpoints of the chord are joined with the center, theta will be equal to 120 degrees. That's why we are not doing this problem. Let's take up the next question, question number 7. From the given figure, where ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeters and each of the corners 4 circles have been drawn and the circles are touching each other externally at one point, you have to find out the area of the shaded region. Anyone who can answer this? These circles as such are not important for this question. The only thing we need is this square and the portions which lie in the interior of the square. तो हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है, जो आपके पास ये square है, if you can find out the area of the square, from the area of the square, remove the area of the 4 white parts. And can anyone observe and tell me what are those 4 white parts at each of the corners?
Quadrant.
Quadrants.
These are quadrants. So what we want to do is we want to find out area of the square, and from that we want to subtract the area of the 4 quadrants. And in order to find out the area of the quadrants, we would need the radius. So that's what you need to figure out कि यहाँ पे जो quadrants बन रहे हैं उनका radius क्या है. Now keeping in mind कि जो circles draw किए गए हैं वो इस तरह से draw किए गए हैं that they are touching each other externally and the size of the circles is same. So if the radius of the circles is represented by r for each of the circles, r plus r is equal to side of square. From here, can you find out the radius of the quadrants now?
Yes, ma'am.
This will help you find out the area for the quadrants. और square का area निकालने के लिए हमारे पास side already है. उन्होंने पूरा सर्कल ड्रॉ किया हुआ है बट हमें पूरे बाहर वाले सर्कल्स की जरूरत नहीं है. दिस इज सिमिलर टू द क्वेश्चन गिवन इन फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज. उससे मिलता जुलता क्वेश्चन है ये.